Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Samad Khan from sociallypro.com, and today I'm going to show you the very latest features we have ever received in our Facebook application. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do, as always, I'm suggesting you guys to update your Facebook application to its latest version. So let me show you that I'm using the latest Facebook app right now. As you can see, I have recently updated this application on September 13, 2022. You need to update this application, or you need to update your Facebook application to enjoy these features we are going to talk about. Once you do that, simply go ahead and open up your Facebook application. And as you can see, that little profile icon at the top or at the shortcuts bar. So let me tap this. And there we go. This is the features we all were waiting for. And now you can switch between profiles and your Facebook pages to use Facebook as your page. You can like someone's post as your page. You can manage your page. You can see insights of your page within the Facebook application. I'll go ahead and select one of my pages. So I'll tap the drop down arrow and I'll select Socially Pro, and there you go, a whole new profile and everything on Facebook we can use as our page. I can watch videos as my page. I can go to the page profile. It looks the same as your profile or your personal profile. Can go to the customize feeds over there, and you can also check notifications for your page. I can go back and tap for anything. For example, I'll choose posts, and now I can like this post as my page. I can comment on this post as my page, and I can share this anywhere else on Facebook application. This is a great feature we have ever received in our Facebook application. You can do anything at your page. For example, you can manage your page, and I'll go to the manage section, and there is a professional dashboard. You can review post reaches, engagements, new page likes, and see more insights of your page. As you can see, there is the ad center. You can invite friends to follow. All the tools we have in our professional dashboard. So this is one of the best features we have ever received in our latest Facebook application. So that's it for today, guys. For more to the point videos and updates like this, you can subscribe to this channel and visit my blog sociallypro.com for more information. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.